Welcome to Mathematics Lecture series. Our topic is Introduction of Function, lecture number 2 in Applied Calculus series. Function is just like a machine. We input and after some process we have some output. Introduction of functions. If we observe this A is equal to pi r square, it states the area A of the region within a circle is equal to pi times the square of radius r. This equation A is equal to pi r square relates two variables A and r. So for such that for every non-negative value of r there is a unique value of A. It indicates how to compute A for any value of the corresponding can viewed as. If we r relate to A, we put 0, then by formula we have 0. If we apply r is equal to 1, then it is A's area is equal to pi. If r is 2, then of course area is 4 pi. So here A depends on r and r is independent variable. Another example, y is equal to x plus 1. So if we had this circle x domain and that one is represent y, so if we put x is equal to 0, then y is of course 2 into 0 into y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 7. Of course, now we are in a position to state the definition of a function. A function is a rule of correspondence by which each element of set x is assigned exactly one element of the set y. As in that example, A is equal to pi r square. The set of all possible input values of the radius is called domain of the function. The set of all outputs values of area is called the range of the function. Since circle cannot have negative radius, so the domain and range of this function is in interval 0 to infinity, consisting of all non-negative real numbers. So domain and range is 0, infinity. A Swiss mathematician Leonard Euler invented a symbolic way to say y is a function of x by writing this y is equal to f of x. So this is a way introduced by Leonard Euler. Also in this notation the symbol f represents the function. The letter x here called the independent variable represent an input value from the domain of f, and y the dependent variable represent corresponding output values in the range of f. In the said notation, function is written as x, f of x belongs to x and f of x belongs to y. So here y is equal to f of x is independent variable and y is depend on that x. So we can x and y values ordered pair we represent by these all ordered pairs function. Symbolically it is also indicated by f of such that x tends to y, means x is a domain and y is a codomain and range belongs to this codomain, and read f is a function f is a function from the set x to a set y. So some remarks. In calculus, we only deal function from R to R. Function defined from R to R are also called real valued function. So in calculus, we work on real valued function. Each element y of the set y is called an image, and each element x of the set x is called co-image of the function f. Here are some functions, some relations are they function or not. Observe that inputs p, q, r, that relation. Observe that relation. Here inputs P has the image M, Q has the image N, and R image is N. Is it function? Yes, this relation is a function because every element has a unique image. Although this relation P has image X, Q has image Y, R has image. So this is also a function because every element has image and has unique image. Observe that relation P has image X, Q has image Y, Q another image of Z. So this is not function because Q has two images. So the Q has a unique image. So that relation is not function. Observe these relation. Which of the following diagram describe a function from the set X into set Y? So 1 has image, 2 has unique image, 3 has, and 4 element from the set X has no image. So this is not a function because every element must be has image according to definition of function. Observe this that one 2 has two images, so there is no uniqueness. This is not a function. Observe that one has image, two has image, three has image. So this is a function because every element has images and also every element has unique image. Observe that one image, two, that is also a function. Every element has image and that is unique. So that is a function. Here is a vertical line test to check uh, a graph, uh, a curve is a function or not. So here a vertical line, here we draw a vertical line any to any position, it touch at most one point. There is no possibility that vertical line touches more than one point. So that is this is a function. Observe that here the vertical touches 2 points, so that one is not a function. That is also touches 2 points, so this is not a function. So there is an introduction of function. So kindly subscribe the channel as you find more videos on the mathematics topics. Thank you.